Well, here we are, everybody. We are stopped in the park to do. It's a common stopping point at every time they do a cruise. So, Buggy works again. You guys really went above and beyond on the show. So, I'm gonna do a pan and walk down to the front of the line so everybody can see all the cars. Gorgeous fall day. What's up, guys? Yeah, we got it. Done. Got it.
Uh-oh, he's concentrating now.
I'm gonna have Julia come and get me.
Got in the bed and I couldn't reach the middle and I ran out of paint, so I'm like, oh well. That's Andy
Volkswagen
Bus.
brakes.
Andy Bus.
And then cream puff.
Hey, did anybody pick up that lady's hat?
Yep.
All right. I wanted to call you so bad and I didn't.
We saw it. Don stopped and grabbed it.
We gonna find the best picture right here.
I'm coming up on you, baby. What's up, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Got to get this beauty in there. Bikers coming. Bikers coming. Bicycles coming through, guys. Bicyclists, peel away. Thanks, guys. Cheese. Cheese. Excuse me, I'm sorry.
Pedestrian cover right away.
Hi, bud. Wait till I post your picture.
I can't wait. Smile.
Wasn't working.
Cruising right by you guys. Sasquatch in the woods.
I think I know where the rock is.
What's up, bud?
I think it's at its peak this year.
I think if it was sunny, it would be just absolutely breathtaking. Pumpkins at the one point? Yeah. That pumpkin patch?
I wish I would have had my phone out or my camera out right then.
Hey.
Chasing.
Count as you were going along?
No, I'll count them on the way back up when I'm not out of breath. Cheese. There we go, all their cars in a row. on a back road right down in the woods in Nashville, Indiana. Beautiful day, great people, great bugs, buses. Thanks to City of First that showed up. We got Southern Indiana Volks, got some Fort Wayne people. Everybody, fantastic. CCV shows up. I'll get a count on the way back up, but it was just absolutely fantastic. So, way to go, Buggy Works. See you soon.